Hi everyone, my name is Gabby and welcome to my channel, Nails in Orbit. Today we are doing my sister's nails and she wanted a nice red set, so we're going to do Jake Long the American Dragon, woo, in human and dragon form. So today is going to be a pretty quick one, but don't forget to subscribe and like and suggest some cartoons down below, and let's get started. Hi everyone. Okay, so I prepped her nails and did her nails with Gel X before this using Apres tips. And for the color, I used Dump Him Jelly by Nails by Dev, and she absolutely loved it. She loved it so much, she really just wanted the two characters, no other designs on the other fingers. So this is a quick video, so we're gonna get on to it. So for his skin tone, I'm just using the color Baby Doll from the Complexion Collection by Nails by Dev, and a warmer color. I cannot remember exactly what the color was, but that's what I'm using, and I'm just doing what I usually do and color blocking out the shape of his head, keeping in mind what my main goal was to get all of his hair in there, his head of course, and then at least one of his hands was my goal. So here I'm just taking my D&D black regular gel polish, and filling in his hair. So it's up to you. You can use this or you can use the black liner. I decided to go with the regular gel polish because I was covering a bigger space, but as you can see on the edges, it's kind of like dispersing a little bit weirdly. So that was my only concern with that. Sometimes that doesn't usually happen, but I guess this time it just happened. So here we are. And then this is just a mixture of a green liner gel I have, and then one of it's like a neon green D&D to get that brighter green color in there, and I'm just going over that. I did it off camera, but if you look at the black part of the hair, I just sharpened the little black spikes a little bit off camera really quick. And now I'm just going in to his sweater. We're going in with the red. I love the red on red because if you look at all the branding for Jake Long, the American Dragon, it's really just red on red. So I thought this was just a perfect, nice little background. I feel like it stands out enough, and it definitely stands out even more once I paint the shiny top coat over it. But now we're just filling it all in with the red. So now I'm just going in with my line work. The brush I'm using today is the 15mm by Nails by Dev. That's one of my favorites. Another favorite is the 9mm, but it's really up to you what length you like. And also, this is not sponsored, just so you guys know. I just really like her products. As for hands go for drawing, his hand was pretty simple, so this was a good beginner hand character. I feel like the hardest hand, what did I do? I think I took the hand out of like Bratz. When I did the Brat doll, I just took the hand out of the equation because it was just not enough showing. It just looked a little weird. So I was like, you know what? She's just not going to have a hand. And it looked fine. So whatever. And now we're just going to keep outlining the rest of the body. This is a good beginner character because he really is just very simple, and he doesn't have that many colors either. So I would say this is another good beginner character. So his face was definitely the most challenging part of this drawing. Not too challenging, but a little bit challenging. So I have the eyeballs, and then I went into the brows, but then you'll see I did not leave myself enough room for that little line above his eye. So I have to make a little edit there, but that's okay. I didn't even cure it yet. And even if you did cure it and you do something like this, you can just paint over it. So don't worry, but you guys will see me in just a quick sec. I have to wipe the eyeballs away. I left that in there just so you guys could see, like, it's not a big deal and you can fix it. Even if you cure it, you can fix it. But thank goodness I did not cure it this time. This little symbol of a smile was actually, or it's not smile, but this little symbol of a mouth was actually kind of hard. And I did it like 3 times because he kept looking a little sad. And I was like, I want him to look angry, not sad. So that was a little bit of a challenge, but it's all right. And there he is, all done. He looks so good. See the top go? Ah, I just love this red. It's so amazing. So now we're just moving on to his dragon form. And red on red. I love it. It looks so good when it's done, so I'm really excited about it. But anyway, did you guys watch this show growing up? And let me know, did you watch it after they changed the artwork? Because we didn't. We were very, very biased to this artwork specifically. Also, do you remember when the Jonas Brothers sang the theme song to this song? I think this was one of the first times my twin sister and I were obsessed with the Jonas Brothers during this time. So they sang this theme song and Poor Unfortunate Souls for Little Mermaid. Or yeah, that was like when they first came on Disney Channel. So this show is kind of associated with the Jonas Brothers for me. So a little extra special place in my heart. But anyway, yeah, let me know if you guys watched this show. So right now we're just color blocking the dragon, filling it in. This yellow is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. And of course, red and yellow look gorgeous together. So that's what we're doing. And we're just filling it in and then we'll go to line work. These characters, again, just very good beginner characters. The only thing challenging about the dragon was that his face is really long and I was trying to get the whole face on the nail. So I did shorten it so the proportions are a little bit off, but I think it's fine because I just really wanted to get his whole head in there. And we were already going to like not have the majority of the wings, like all of that. So the entire head needed to be in there. And I don't think it's a big deal if the proportions are slightly off. So it's fine. When I do these characters again, I'm definitely going to do them on longer nails just because I really want to show more of the dragon, more of Jake. Like just they're just like the two hands instead of just one of his hands. Yeah, I think these characters would actually benefit, would have benefit on longer nails, but they still look great on this short length of a nail. But yeah, I think next time I will put them on longer nails. This little spiral on his elbow is just such a fun little detail. I'm so happy that we have it. So now here we go. Look at the dragon form, all beautiful, the reveal. I hope you guys like this set. This was a quick video for you, so I hope you guys will love it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and suggest some stuff. All right, guys? I will see you in the next one.